Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see a very popular app that is Amazon Prime Video and how to use that app properly. So here we go. First of all, you have to download your Amazon Prime Video app. So you have to press here Prime. You have to go to your Play Store on your Android phone, and on your search bar you can type in Amazon Prime Video. As you can see, the first option has come like Amazon Prime Video. If you just type Prime also, so I'll press here Amazon Prime Video. I'll then install this app. So you have to first of all install the app on your Android device. So it's downloading. So yes, now it has been installed as well. So I have to open the app now. Let's open it. So once I do that, yeah, introducing Prime Video profiles give each person on your account a personal experience, which add all this. So since I had already logged into this account, this Prime app, it was already there in my phone and I had logged in, so it is directly taking me to my logged in account based on my phone. So once you have already formatted your phone or you're using a new phone, it will ask you for or for the first time you're using this app, it will ask you to log into your Amazon account to use this app. So first of all, I want to say you that if you are an Amazon Prime member, then only you can see all the paid films or paid movies or paid series in this app. There would be some free movies or free series that you can still access, but mostly the paid people would only be enjoying or only be accessing all the movies and series that are available in this app. So if you're an Amazon Prime member, then you can enjoy this app perfectly. So this is the home page that comes out or that pops up when you log into your Amazon Prime Video account. So you can see all the bars like home. In the home you can see everything like watch next TV movies, Amazon original series, watch in your language, movies in Hindi, Tamil movies. Based on the country, it will be arranging this kind of information in your home tab like latest movies, best of world cinema, etc, etc. You can go through this. Here you can see the TV shows, only specifically the TV series like Seinfeld, The Boys, The Office, all these things, action and adventure TV, all these things. Here you can go specifically on movies like what are the movies, next movies or thriller movies you think you like, latest movies as well, what has come to the Prime recently, Tamil movies, Telugu movies. All these things have been classified according to their genre, their language, etc, etc. So you can go through this and see what best suits you. So this is it. And here you can go for kids as well. This would be specifically for kids who would love to enjoy this kind of films or TV series, so mostly cartoons or animated kind of things. So this is how it has been classified over this bar. So you can also see in at the bottom like home, downloads. You can even download it offline to watch your favorite series or movies. For series, you can even download the whole series at a time, and for movies it will only download your movies. For example, if I go to a movie, for example this movie Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, I'll go back because I have already like seen it. It's a completely new movie. I'll go, let me choose this. So you can see here something called watch now. One option will come, you can watch directly, you can add to your watch list, you can also download, as I had said you earlier, you can download this movie, you can share this link as well. You can see the story of this movie here. If you like press more details, it will tell you the genre, director, starring, all these things. And if I go back, I'll show you something else. One more movie. You can see here one trailer page is also there. If you want to see the trailer of this movie, you can see that as well. So here you can see the IMDb rating, year of release, all the details of this movie will be shown here. Once you press this watch now, the movie will start. The main thing is you can see it in your original print HD or full HD print instead of going to any YouTube version. So these are the things. Here two more options like the best way where I find my movies are by pressing this search button. Once I press this, I can just type in my favorite movie and very easily or within a short time I can get my favorite movie. For example, I like Golmaal. Let's see, Golmaal movie. If I press this, all movies of Golmaal are coming, like Golmaal again, Golmaal Returns, Golmaal, old Golmaal, everything. Whatever I want to watch, I can choose from this results and directly go to that movie. For example, this is the older one. I'll go back, Golmaal Returns. So this is how you search a movie and straight away go to that and play and watch that movie. So there's something called My Stuff here. You can create profiles here as well, like create a profile, manage profile, learn about profile. I'll create one more profile. Whatever I watch or whatever activities I do under this profile would be saved in this profile. For example, another profile I'll create like SKS1, for example. I save that in my profile. So you can see SKS1 profile. Under that profile, it will show me my related things. I'll just skip for now. So in this profile, you can see there is something called a gear like symbol. That is the settings of your profile. You can see here, stream and download, manage quality and Wi-Fi. You can change the download quality, download on Wi-Fi only. All these things you can change. The settings change over here. Notifications, receive notification of TV shows, movies, all these things. All notifications you can opt, or if you don't want, you can switch it off also. Autoplay, play the next episode automatically. You can either switch on or switch off. Parental controls, you can provide passwords or give password. If you want restrictions on viewing the movie as well, you can go here and do all these things. Purchase restriction, Amazon maturity ratings, change Prime Video pin, all these things. You can provide pins, registered devices. You can see what all other registered devices are using this Prime Video. I have like 3 to 4, 5, 6 phones using this Prime Video app in the same ID. Clear video search history, signed in. Okay, language, you can change the language as well. There are a lot of languages, foreign languages. In fact, you can change like Dutch, Espanol, all these things are over here. You can change. Mostly you don't have to change it because we all are comfortable with English. Your help button is here. If you are in some doubt, you can click help and go through the FAQs over here. So friends, this is a very nice app to watch series or to watch films. I would advise you go for Amazon Prime and enjoy Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Prime purchasing, everything. So this is worth the money. I think it's now costing around $9.99 per year to get all these facilities, including Amazon Prime Video, music, your purchases, etc, etc. So one more thing, this is, as you can see, you can even cast Amazon Prime Video here. If I click here, then this film or the screen will get cast on my Google Chromecast, which I'm using in my television as well. So you can enjoy your movies or films on television with your own home theater, as good as like going to a multiplex or a film hall. So this is it in this video. I hope you like this video, you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please share this video, and please subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos on apps, internet and mobiles to get or to make your digital life easier and simpler. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again, see you soon. We'll be coming with more of such videos. Thank you.